your chemistry class and welcome to digital classes of chemistry. Today I'm going to tell you about a very important topic, that is as yesterday and day before yesterday in two videos I have told you about some common salt. We are doing the chapter acid, bases and salt. In this particular chapter we know that when acid will react with base, it will form a salt and produce a water. So this kind of reaction is called neutralization reaction. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you all those salt which we have studied in a one common table so that it will make your learning very easy. Okay, so let's start. As we know that we have some of the salt related to sodium, calcium. Okay, so I will take some of first salt, that is first three salt that is related to sodium. So first is table salt, then second is caustic soda, third is baking soda, fourth is washing soda, fifth is bleaching powder, and sixth is POP, plaster of Paris plus gypsum. Plaster of Paris and gypsum we will study today. Okay. So dear students, generally in exam the question that is coming related to this topic is very simple. In 1 marks the question can ask, write the chemical name of table salt, write chemical name of caustic soda, write chemical name of baking soda, chemical name of washing soda, chemical name of bleaching powder, and chemical name of plaster of Paris. So in that type of question, to solve that type of question, this table can help you. So let's start the chemical name. First chemical name of table salt is sodium chloride. It is made up of one metal and one non-metal, and it is an ionic compound. Okay, you know very well what is ionic compound. Ionic compound are those compounds which is made up of one cation and one anion. Second is caustic soda. The formula is sodium hydroxide. The chemical name is sodium hydroxide. Third is baking soda. Name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Fourth is washing soda. The name of chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Fifth one is bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride. POP, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi word means half. And gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. With that there is 2. Okay, so dear student, I will just take it in brief. So when I'm taking it in brief, so I will divide this table as per the space. Okay, so let me make this line a little bit. Let's make it like this. The last line left. So now first question that can come, that is write the chemical name of these often. So you can write from here, chemical name of table salt is sodium chloride, chemical name of caustic soda is sodium hydroxide, chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrocarbonate, chemical name of washing soda is sodium hydrocarbonate, sodium carbonate decahydrate, bleaching powder calcium oxychloride, POP calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and gypsum calcium sulfate dihydrate. Okay, hope so up to this you understood. Now second thing that we need to come to know, that is chemical formula. And chemical formula is very simple. we need to make chemical formula from chemical name. Sodium, what is the symbol of sodium? It is Na. And for symbol of chlorine, Cl. Here you should know the the valency and the atomicity. Okay, NaCl is the formula. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaHCO3. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. And calcium oxychloride is CaOCl2. Calcium sulfate CaSO4 dot half H2O, whereas gypsum is SCaSO4 dot 2H2O. Okay. So now, dear students, once we know the chemical name, chemical formula, now after chemical formula and chemical name, we have next assignment, that is to find out the preparation, the method of preparation and the properties. Okay. The method of preparation is what? Suppose, for example, table salt. Table salt is very simple. It is made up of acid plus base. Suppose we are taking one acid, HCl is an acid, and NaOH is an base. When acid will react with base, it will form NaCl plus H2O. Na will react with Cl and H will react with OH. It will form NaCl plus H2O. Okay, and this type of reaction is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. If we will talk about the uses, it is used important ingredient in a food. In our food, it used to melt the ice. Okay, it is used as a raw material for many salt. Okay. Now next, similar way, caustic soda, where sodium hydroxide is the chemical name, NaOH is the chemical formula. Okay, so sodium hydroxide will made with the NaCl plus, when NaCl will going to be react with NaCl will react with the H2O, 2 molecule of water. It will form NaOH. This is the reversible of this reaction. It will form NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Now NaOH is what here? It will be balanced to NaOH. NaOH is what here? It is caustic soda. But the best use of this type of preparation is, it is giving us chlorine and hydrogen gas also, and there is chlorine and hydrogen gas is also very important. So this method is called chloro-alkali method. In this chloro-alkali method, we are producing chlorine from alkali, NaOH. Okay, we are getting NaOH and chlorine gas here, where student just note down, chlorine is a gas which is used to disinfect the water also. Hydrogen gas as a fuel. NaOH is used for bleach purpose. Okay, so basic properties are, basic uses of this these kind of substances are, these are used for bleaching purpose. It is used to cleansing purpose, like to make soap, to make soda, baking soda. This is used. This is used as a raw material or raw agent for many salt. Okay. After this, we have third kind of component, that is baking soda. Baking soda can be prepared with two steps, in which first ammonia will react with carbon dioxide and water. Ammonia will react with carbon dioxide and water. Ammonia will react with carbon dioxide plus water. It will give NH4, HCO3. This is called ammonium bicarbonate. Now in second step, this ammonium bicarbonate will react with NaCl. Now NaCl is the raw material for many salt. So this NaCl we are using to make the baking soda. NaHCO3 plus NaHCO3, it will give ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Okay, so this is baking soda. This is baking soda. This box, if we are getting this baking soda, this is caustic soda, and this is raw soda. Okay, so how baking soda is going to be used in our daily life? Number one, it is used in bakery product. Number two, it is used as a fire extinguisher. Number three, it is used for as antacid to cure our indigestion, and it is used to make baking powder also. Now, what is the difference between baking soda and baking powder? Baking powder is made up by combination of baking soda plus acetic acid. Tartric acid, not acetic acid, it is tartric acid. Tartric acid. Okay, it is made up of baking soda plus tartric acid. Okay, so these are the basic uses of baking soda. Now we will do the washing soda. Washing soda can be also prepared by heating baking soda. So we will heat NaHCO3 by simply heating. 2 molecule of NaHCO3 will convert into Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2 plus H2O plus CO2. This is sodium carbonate, but sodium carbonate when going to be react with 10 molecule of water, it will give us Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. So this is the formula of washing soda. Okay, Na2CO3 sodium carbonate crystal. This is called water crystal also. Water crystal. Okay, this is one water crystal. This is also water crystal. The uses of washing soda, you know very well. It is used for cleaning our clothes. It is used to softening hard water. Used to softening hard water also. And some other uses, if you want to write, then you can write. It is used in manufacturing of caustic soda and borax also. It is used for manufacturing the paper also. Paper in paper industries. There are so many uses in your book you will get. Okay. Bleaching powder. Now up to this, dear students, this you need to take care. Up to this point, if I'll say up to this point, all the salt whatever we did, one common thing is there, that is all salt are made up of sodium. All the salts are made up of sodium. You can see here sodium. That's why the name is soda. Soda. Okay. So these all four are the salt of sodium. Now these are the salt of calcium. Some more are there that I will make in next video. So bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride. How it will be prepared? It can be prepared by reacting slaked lime with chlorine and form calcium oxychloride plus H2O. Calcium oxychloride plus H2O. Okay, this is the basic formula. And the property of bleaching powder is it is yellowish white powder which gives a strong smell of chlorine, and because of in atmosphere it reacts with the carbon dioxide and release chlorine gas. Okay, and when it is reacted with dilute H2SO4, that time it will produce calcium sulfate, and that calcium sulfate when it will react with H2SO4, when this calcium oxychloride react with H2SO4, it will form calcium sulfate H2O plus Cl2. So this calcium sulfate will give us this plaster of Paris and gypsum. Okay, so now uses of bleaching powder. Basically, bleaching powder is used in laundries to use the bleach washed cloth to bleach clothes, and it is used to bleach cotton cloth, paper. It is used to disinfect the drinking water. Drinking water, and it is the raw material for plaster of Paris and gypsum. Okay, used to make chloroform also. Early days, chloroform was used as anesthesia purpose. Now it is avoided by doctors because of health risk. So plaster of Paris is next. In plaster of Paris, very simple plaster of Paris can be prepared from gypsum. When we are going to heat gypsum, it will change into calcium sulfate dihydrate, will change into calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and 1.5 H2O. If this same reaction will reverse, then it is gypsum. We can prepare gypsum. Calcium sulfate will be heated. In heated, some of the amount of water will be evaporate, and that time it will give us calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and this is giving 1.5 molecule of water. Okay, calcium plaster of Paris and gypsum is used to fix the fractured bone by doctor in hospital. It is used to smoothen the surface. बाइक्स में जिसको हम बोलते हैं. It is used to make the decorative material, statues. These are the some uses of plaster of Paris and gypsum. So dear student, this is all about, in which I tried my best to compile all the basic questions in one chart. If you learn this chart, you first note down this chart in a double page and send that homework to me, so that I will cross check if there is any problem. Okay, and now let me tell you, so many questions are coming in exam related to this chart, so please take it seriously, study and try to understand the concept. In my next video I will make some more salt, that is salt of calcium, which is lime, and salt of water crystal. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and keep enjoying these digital classes. Thank you.